Welcome to Topic 8, where we delve into strings in Python, presented by Dr. Almantheri. Today, we explore Topic 8, focusing on strings within Python. Strings are sequences of characters created using single, double, or triple quotes. Remember, strings in Python are immutable. Their elements cannot be changed once assigned. Examples show creating strings with single, double, and triple quotes, all yielding hello world. String indexing, like list indexing, accesses individual characters. Hello world has both positive and negative indices. For hello world, print gives H, print gives R, and print gives exclamation point. String slicing extracts a range of elements using string name, start, end, step. Using hello world, slicing from front and rear selects string portions. Message 0:3 extracts hell and message pet smiley yields low world. Other examples, message 5 for hello, message 2 for hl, and message ::-1 to reverse the string. Python offers built-in string functions, len for length, min for smallest character, and max for largest. For Python, len is 6, min is p, and max is y. Special operations include in /, not in for substrings, plus for concatenation, asterisk for duplication, and del to delete a string. Day in good day is true, but day in good day is false due to case sensitivity. sd1 plus sd2 concatenates good and day to good day. sd1 asterisk 3 repeats py 3 times. Printing a string after del results in a name error, as the variable no longer exists. Python provides rich string methods that return new values without altering the original string. Common methods: strip for white space, lower or upper for case, replace for substitution, split to divide, find to locate, and count for occurrences. For good morning, strip removes spaces, lower makes it good morning, and upper makes it good morning. Replacing morning with evening yields good evening. Split creates a list of words. Find returns its index, and count tallies O's. Additional methods: isalpha for alphabetic characters, isdigit for digits, ilower for lowercase, and isupper for uppercase. For good morning, isalpha is false. For 123, isdigit is true. Good morning is not ilower, and welcome is not isupper. Strings can be accessed using loops. A for loop can iterate directly over characters or use range with indexing. A while loop with an index also accesses each character sequentially, all producing welcome for welcome. Exercise: count L's in hello world without string methods. The solution iterates and increments a counter, finding 3 letters found. Solved exercise 2, count vowels in a string using a user-defined function. The vowel function iterates, checks against vowels, and prints the count. Calling vowel correctly identifies and prints 3 vowels present in string welcome. Solved exercise 3, accept user input, count characters, find max character, count substring occurrences, and display uppercase. For I am in office, the program outputs 14 characters, O as max in appearing once, and I am in office in uppercase. Exercise 4, fill in blanks for print statements using Welcome to Python to print characters from index 8 or count E occurrences. Also, check if all characters are digits or if py is present in the string. Exercise 5, read a string, check characters against ASEC, add matches to a list, and print the list. For quick meal, the program should output QE. Exercise 6, write a program to count character occurrences in a string and store results in a dictionary. For good morning, the dictionary would show counts like G2, O3, D1, etc. Thank you for joining this session on strings in Python. We hope this introduction was informative.